is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to stop by and check us out. If not, and you are returning, your girl really does appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping back by. Now, either way, if you are currently not subscribed to the Seasoned Beauties community, by all means, hit that subscribe button below and become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today will be the February unboxing of the CurlBox. I'm so excited about this box. This box is curated for curly hair, and it's $25 per month, and that does include the shipping, and you receive 4 to 5, sometimes 6 or 7 different products. These are featured products that you receive at any given month. Okay, so we're gonna jump right in and see what's in this box. Now, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like button, share it with someone else, become a CurlBox connoisseur and subscriber. Okay, you'll be glad that you did. Trust me, when I'm in the store and I see people going to get hair care products and I see one item cost them $10, $15, trust me, I am talking to them about CurlBox, because I'm trying to help you save your coins. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Now, the first one, CurlBox is 7. Happy birthday, CurlBox. Okay, and let's see what this month is all about. Wow, she wrote us a nice thank you note here. And this month's box is braids for days, and it's the Black Castor Oil Miracle Protect It, Seal It, Love It by African Pride. Okay, so sealed scalp and nourished braids, protective low manipulation styles, and treated hair are key for length retention. So let's see what's here. Now, first of all, they've given us a coupon, okay, so that we can get 30% off on any kinky, curly, yucky hair product to accompany your new African Pride Black Castor Oil Miracle Protective Styling products, okay? And of course, it does give us a code. So we're gonna jump right in. See, I told you, they say 4 or 5. This box is full. It's full, y'all. So we're gonna jump right in and see what's in here. Step 1 is moisturizing seal. So let's find some moisturizer, which is this one. This is the full-size products, by the way, and this one is the Growth Protection Prep and Leave-In Moisture Butter, and this is the sealing oil. Okay, these two right here make up step 1. It says apply sealing oil as needed to scalp along part lines. Use moisture butter, smooth into braids from roots to tips. Follow with sealing oil along the braids. Okay, so start off here, add here, finish here. Okay, now let's go on to the next product, or the next step. Okay, and that says, massage. Massage scalp for 3 to 5 minutes to stimulate. Then the next step is to condition and lay. So that means we go to these two products right here. Okay, I apologize for the glare from the light. Now this says Lay edges with braid lock and twist gel, or use hold and cover black edge gel, or use hold and cover black edge gel to fill in and nourish thinning edges, or cover gray. That's pretty interesting. That's this one right here. And this says it holds and covers edges, but it slicks stubborn edges, temporarily covers gray, and fills in the thinning areas. Now, apparently this comes in other shades, because across the bottom it does say this particular shade is black. All right. Oh my God, this smells so good. Oh, okay. Black castor oil smells good to me anyway. But, okay, those are the next step. And then after that, edge play. It says use your African Pride edge brush to smooth and slick edges. Check that out, y'all. Look at that. This is the edge brush by African Pride as well. And yes, this is included. Created with natural oils to nourish hair and seal in moisture during braided, weaved, and natural protective styles. It's nice and stiff, but not so much so that it's gonna, really rub you the wrong way. How about that? Okay. And there's the little comb on the end. Now also, in addition to this, see, I love them. It's the little things that mean so much. This is the anti-humidity heat protectant spray. So we have this item in as well. Then, check this out, y'all. They threw in another product. Check this out. We have a scarf. Yes. I'm here for it, honey. Keep those edges laid nice and smooth. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Well, these are the contents of this month's CurlBox. These are the contents of the February CurlBox. Thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Now, I will leave a link below. If you decide that you want to try out the CurlBox for yourself, by all means, please do so. Now, as always, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Pass it along, share it, and leave me a comment below. Until next time.